Hello all and welcome back. So in the last video we discussed about the geocentric model. Now in this video we'll mainly focus on the heliocentric model. So let's begin. Now we believe that Nicolaus Copernicus was one of the first scientists who stated the heliocentric theory. But 18 centuries before him there was an ancient Greek astronomer named Aristarchus of Samos who formulated the first known heliocentric model. But now in this video, we'll mainly focus on Nicolaus Copernicus. He was born on 19 February 1473. The heliocentric theory stated by him was independent that of stated by Aristarchus of Samos. Now you can find the first heliocentric writings by Nicolaus Copernicus in the commentaries. Now, as I said in the last video, there was a huge amount of followers who were following the geocentric model and the church of one of the many and main. And because of that, the other scientists were afraid to follow the heliocentric model, although they believe that it is true, because they were afraid that they might get prosecuted, which happened to a lot of people during that time. But there were people like Galileo, Tycho Brahe, Kepler who followed this heliocentric model and they made a few changes in it such that it would make the model better and it would make it follow the solar system as we know now in a better way. So, after all this, we now follow the heliocentric model and we have proved that it is true. Now let's have a look at the heliocentric model suggested by Copernicus. So it was a drawing by him. Here is the Sun, then here is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and the outer stars. So now let's move further. Why heliocentric? Now, why is our solar system heliocentric? The answer to this question is in the theory or in the process of formation of stars and planets. Now, they form simultaneously, and this topic is a topic of another video. The aim of this video is not to discuss this, but I'm just gonna state that the formation processes are observed and theorized recently in 20th century, and that was with the help of computer simulations and uh, big 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 telescopes and etc. But then during the time of Copernicus, nothing of nothing that was used to state the formation processes was invented. There were no computers, there were no telescopes during that time. Now, how did he state the heliocentric model without the use of any complex material? The answer is really easy. One can just observe the night sky carefully and he can guess that. Now, before going to the observations, let's do a small experiment which will lead to the observations. So I believe you all know how to find planets in the night sky, and if you not, then use Stellarium or similar apps. Now you can go to your terrace or balcony or a dark place from where the night sky is visible, and locate the planets using the apps I suggested, or if you know how to locate the planet, then it's better. Now you what you have to do is draw a sky map, take a sky map and note the positions of planets. And now you have to do this for a few years, like for 10 to 15 years repeatedly. Or else you can just simply use Stellarium app for the same, fast forward time in the app, and then you can get the maps. So by either way, get the map. And now, did you observe something different in the motions to the night sky? Something which is repeating itself? If you did, then really that's really great of you. Now I want you to pat yourself on the back, celebrate a little bit, and then come back here and we'll move ahead with the topic. If no, you can go back, spend a few more, few 10 or 15 years on the same, or again do the stellarium thingy I just said. And when you spot the difference, again celebrate, pat yourself, come back here. I will be here. So now we have discussed the experiment. I want you to do that and then come back here again to discuss the observations. Stay tuned. Bye bye.